Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll be reading a short story to help you improve your English reading and speaking skills. Follow along as we read together. Pause the video at any time to repeat sentences, practice your pronunciation, and to answer the questions at the end of each paragraph.
إذا شعرتم أن السرعة بطيئة جدا، يمكنكم تعديل سرعة التشغيل من خلال الإعدادات على يوتيوب. فقط اضغطوا على أيقونة الإعدادات ثم اختاروا سرعة التشغيل.
Okay, let's get started. The cat and the kitten. Whiskers, a wise old tabby, enjoyed his peaceful days lounging by the window, watching birds and squirrels with a lazy flick of his tail. His routine was predictable, and he liked it that way. One sunny afternoon, however, his owner brought home a new addition. A tiny, lively kitten named Cleo. Whiskers was wary, unsure of this energetic ball that dashed around, batting at everything and disrupting his quiet space. Cleo's boundless curiosity was quite the change for the old tabby. 1. What does Whiskers enjoy doing during his days? Answer. Whiskers enjoys lounging by the window, watching birds and squirrels. 2. How does Whiskers feel about the arrival of the kitten? Answer. He feels wary and unsure about the new energetic addition to his home. Cleo was endlessly curious, darting from shadow to shadow, chasing her tail and exploring places Whiskers had never thought to investigate. Though he tried to ignore her, Cleo was determined to get his attention, batting at his tail and even chasing him around the living room. Whiskers felt exasperated, yet intrigued by her energy. Watching her antics, he kept his distance, but couldn't help wondering if he'd ever had that much energy as a kitten. A small spark of interest began to grow. 3. What kinds of things does Cleo do around the house? Answer. Cleo chases her tail and explores. 4. How does Whiskers feel about Cleo's energy? Answer. He feels exasperated, but also intrigued by her energy. As As days passed, Cleo kept up her playful efforts to get Whiskers' attention. One morning, she curled up beside him during his nap, purring softly. Whiskers opened one eye, surprised by her warmth, but eventually relaxed, allowing her to stay. Slowly, their companionship grew, and they played gentle games of chase around the house, with Whiskers swatting her lightly and Cleo happily swatting back. Whiskers found himself looking forward to these moments, realizing Cleo had brought a new joy into his life. 5. What does Cleo do that surprises Whiskers? Answer. She curls up beside him while he's napping, purring softly. 6. How does Whiskers' attitude towards Cleo change over time? Answer. He begins to enjoy her company and looks forward to playing with her. Before long, Whiskers and Cleo developed a close bond, often curling up together by the window to watch birds. Whiskers taught Cleo how to watch quietly without startling them, and Cleo brought out a playful side in Whiskers he hadn't shown in years. They became inseparable, sharing meals, naps, and the occasional mischievous adventure. Whiskers hadn't imagined a kitten could change his life so completely, but he was grateful for Cleo's lively energy. Together, they truly became the perfect pair. 7. What does Whiskers teach Cleo to do? Answer. He teaches her how to watch the birds quietly without scaring them away. 8. How does Whiskers feel about his life after bonding with Cleo? Answer. He feels grateful for the joy and lively energy Cleo has brought to his life. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe to Muhammad Ali English. Thank you, goodbye, see you.